name's Janelle and welcome to day 7 of 12 Days of Rosery. Today we're going to be talking all about fabric wrapping. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some fabric wrapping of your own, and I'll also show you how to go about using it as well. Fabric wrapping is a Japanese tradition also known as furoshiki, and the art of wrapping gifts with fabric has been practiced in Japan for well over 1,000 years. Making your own fabric wrapping is so easy. Start by cutting out a square of your fabric. I'll share the exact measurements I use for my wraps later in the video. Next, hem each side of the fabric square by folding in and pressing about 1 centimeter or half an inch twice. Then simply stitch around the entire edge of the square, securing the hemming as you sew. And it's that easy. For my wraps, I make a small, medium and a large with the following measurements. For the small, I cut a 35 by 35 centimeter or 14 by 14 inch square. For the medium, I cut a 50 by 50 centimeter or 20 by 20 inch square. And for the large, I cut a 65 by 65 centimeter or 25.5 by 25.5 inch square. You can obviously make your wraps as big or small as you like, depending on the gifts you're needing to wrap. Now let me show you how to use the fabric wrapping. Place your gift at one of the corners of the wrapping. Then fold the corner onto your gift and fold again once more. Then take the opposite corner and fold it into the middle, and then fold it again so that the crease is at the center of the gift. Next, take the remaining 2 corners of the wrap and tie them together into a knot. And you should have a lovely fabric package ready to gift. If you're wrapping something with a bit of an odd shape, use the same method, making sure the folded crease is at the center of your gift, and then tie the 2 remaining corners together into a knot. To make these fabric wrapped gifts even prettier, I decided to add some dried flowers and foliage. Simply cut the flowers to the right length and then slip them into the folds of the fabric. I mean, who wouldn't want to receive a gift that's been wrapped as beautifully as this? Also, the idea behind the fabric wrap is to reuse them. I love the idea of the wraps being passed on to a new home each time a gift is given. So yeah, let me know if you're planning to use fabric wrapping on any of your Christmas presents this year. I think it's definitely an amazing option, and hopefully this video has helped you out a little bit if you weren't sure how to go about wrapping with fabric. If you do have a go at making any fabric wrap for yourself, then I would love to see it. So make sure you use the hashtag 12 Days of Rosery when you share your pictures on Instagram, and tag me at Rosery Apparel while you're at it so I can see. And if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel, as I'll be posting a new video every single day up until the 12th of December. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.